Welcome to my YouTube channel Mobile Nexus. The Infinix Hot 2025 has arrived, and it's making waves across the mobile industry. As the latest iteration in Infinix's popular Hot series, the 2025 edition brings forth a refined design, enhanced performance, and features that rival even the top-tier smartphones in the market. In a year where innovation is the name of the game, Infinix has positioned the Hot 2025 as a flagship killer, blending style, power, and affordability into one irresistible package. With a sleek body, immersive display, improved camera systems, and a battery that promises to last well beyond a full day, this smartphone has been crafted to cater to the modern user's needs while staying true to Infinix's legacy of delivering value-packed devices. The Infinix Hot 2025 sports a premium build that instantly catches the eye. Its rear panel boasts a shimmering gradient finish that subtly shifts hues depending on the light angle, giving it a touch of elegance and sophistication. The curved edges ensure a comfortable grip, while the matte frame enhances the overall tactile feel. Despite being a budget-friendly device, the materials used in its construction scream quality. The device comes in a range of vibrant colors that appeal to a younger audience, yet maintains enough class to attract professional users as well. Infinix has clearly paid attention to both form and function, creating a smartphone that not only looks good but feels robust and reliable in hand. One of the most notable features of the Infinix Hot 2025 is its display. It boasts a stunning 6.82-inch FHD plus AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering silky smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and deep blacks. Whether you're streaming high-definition videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or simply browsing social media, the visual experience is nothing short of spectacular. The bezels are slim, and the punch hole cutout for the front camera ensures minimal distractions, allowing for maximum screen real estate. The display is protected with reinforced glass that resists scratches and minor drops, adding durability to its already impressive profile. Viewing angles are wide and brightness levels are more than sufficient even under direct sunlight, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor usage. Under the hood, the Infinix Hot 2025 is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity T920 processor, built on a 6nm architecture. This chipset provides a significant boost in performance compared to its predecessors, enabling faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and efficient power usage. The phone handles everything from daily tasks to demanding applications with ease. Coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, the device ensures a lag-free experience even under heavy usage. RAM expansion technology also allows users to convert a portion of the storage into additional RAM, optimizing memory usage further. Whether you're switching between apps, editing photos, or engaging in extended gaming sessions, the Infinix Hot 2025 keeps up without breaking a sweat.